what I'm saying. You have to be very careful because if you cut more than this here now, it's blood, you see.
Yeah.
Hey. Yeah, too much dirty, yes,
Yeah.
too dirty.
Too dirty.
Hey. You just have to be very, you have to be very, very smart and sharp. Because right now, I don't know if it's ready to bite. So I don't know now. Because the other one noise, you know, it's getting pissed. So you just have to be very, very. Hey.
You need to play because you're a stranger.
You need to play.
Yeah.
You need to play and make him feel comfortable. This cat now is a violent cat, but not yet. I will know.
Don't scared.
The cat don't understand you. They're not like, hey.
Yeah, this is the way how to cut the nails of the cat.
You bring out,
Yeah.
then you cut.
Because it's have a different nail.
You only see now, you cannot see the nails.
Yeah.
So you push out, you see, you cut.
Got it. Okay.
Push out, then you see,
and then
you cut.
got it.
You wait again, like now if you pet because you don't want him to get angry, so you pet. Okay, you don't know if it's a biting cat. Once they strike, so you just pet. You try to make him or her comfortable. You try and stay like this, so that when, in case you want to strike, you can block or easily remove your hand.
Okay.
So when you're doing cats, look at his head, not only the nails, because he can strike you.
Yeah.
So when you're doing it, don't always focus here. Focus on his face.
Okay.
Because once it comes, once it comes, so I always put like this.
Okay.
I block, I go like this. You see on his head.
He cannot bite you.
If he's angry now, few ones, they're very fast. You just have to be very, very smart. You have to be very, very sharp.
You scared? This is the way how we cut the nail of the cats.
This other one very, very long. This way. See?
Yeah.
See, very long.
Yeah.
You see? So I have to cut first.
Little bit.
Little bit first, so that little bit then.
Cut it again.
Yeah. Because his nails look like this. They allow the nails grow. You have to cut, you have to always watch his head. Okay, if you strike once. If you strike, one striking, the next thing you see, bites you. So you have to be very, very Hey. See? You see? I don't want to stress him. Because I don't want to stress. He's okay. He's scared. You see, he's not comfortable. This will be scared of water. I don't want to stress him much. I don't want to stress him much. See, now it's taking more than 5 minutes of my time.
Yeah, now it's getting angry.
You see, he did that sound. He's getting angry. He can strike me anytime. He can strike me anytime from now. Anytime from now. He's getting angry now. I'm done with the 2 legs. Now This one is easier for me, but this other one hard for me. You bring out-
This is more than easier, huh? Because you can block it the head.
good like this. See,
Yeah.
you see what I'm doing now.
Yeah.
So if you try to strike, I block and remove.
Yeah.
So it's tight
It's-
stick.
yeah.
You just have to be.
Yeah.
You have to see.
Ah.
See what I'm doing now.
Yeah, he
I'm
cannot
doing like
move,
this.
yeah.
In case he's angry,
Yeah.
I will fastly remove my hand.
Okay.
But if I go like this, he's angry. He gets me once.
Yeah, he will bite you.
Once.
Yeah.
To
And
just
if
experience.
he bite you once, you cannot hold it again.
I will continue my job. I will continue
Ah.
my job. If you're a groomer, if cat has not bite you, you've not done cat there. You've not done cat.
Okay, I hold this hand, the head. He cannot bite you.
If cat is angry, you just have to know how to do cat alone.
Yeah, but he cannot bite you because
Because it's not angry,
Yeah,
he's
yeah.
angry. What you are doing what you are doing now will not.
but the cats they love when you hold the heads
They like petting, not that they like petting. See now, I
Yeah.
want to do this with that
on the
leg.
other side. Okay.
You turn. See the way I
Turn.
twist now?
Mm.
I twist like this, I block. You see what I
Okay.
do?
Yeah.
I block. I bring out, I cut. I bring out, I cut. I bring out. I always block.
At the back they have a 4 fingers only, right?
Yeah, 4. Front, 5.
They in the front they have a 5. Now it's done. And after that, before you cut the what do you call this, the hair, you need to clean the ear first.
After I finish the
The cutting, you
the
need
nails, I go to the head. But first, I want to check something. Because this is too much big, so I want to check.
if you getting blood.
Not by blood, to check if it's still sharp.
You
yeah,
need.
yeah, it's still sharp.
But
No,
in the
okay.
kits, you don't need to sand it, right?
Eh?
You don't need to sand it in the kits.
I don't need what?
Sanding.
No. I don't need that. I'm just trying to make more down. Because this cat, see, long nails. His nails are long. So now I'm done with
What
this.
kind of cat is this?
It's called British.
British?
Yeah. This is called British. This is British, not Scottish. Scottish, Ford. This is British.
British.
This is British. So now
Huh?
I go to I go to his eye, see there's dirty. You hold like this. See that now. You need to hold. Okay. I've cleaned the face now, see dirty. Clean his nose also. Then now you go to here.
Yeah, no, he's getting angry.
Like he has cold. His ear is very, very dirty.
Yeah.
See his ear, very dirty. First I use this to just a little bit clean outside. See, outside. See, very dirty. Just to clean for before I use. See,
The cotton buds, huh?
yeah. Now I use the cotton. You will start doing his leg. See, too much dirty. See, this cat has a little cold. Maybe they keep it too much in the AC. You see, you can hear the neck. You can hear the neck. It has cold. Maybe too much AC.
He feel cold.
Yeah, his nose is blocked. You can hear? Maybe when inside the car too much AC, or in the house too much AC. Clean on the edge. Clear this edge. Good. It's okay from here.
No, it's clean. The other
It's
side.
clean now. Wait. Just there. See, too much dirty.
Too much dirty.
You use this force to clean the side.
But in the cats, how many weeks or days before taking shower?
Maybe from 3 months. Depends. Some cats are big breed, some cats are small breed. Some from 3 months.
Every 3 months.
So you can shower your cat every twice in a month or once in a month. Depends.
Okay.
Depends on how much you can afford to do that. Advisable twice to 2 times in a month. I always advise my clients 2 times in a month. Yeah.
The customer is not here. Can I do the trimming?
No, this one you don't need trimming.
What?
This you don't need trimming like that. Just when I finish shower, I just touch. I'll show you what I will do. This short hair cut. This short hair.
You just only to make it level?
Thank you. You see all this small. That's what I do. Because this short hair. This short hair cut. British, Scottish, or short hair. Okay. It's good. It's good. It's good. A little bit sharp. Good. So maybe I check them. When I finish, I check. Just have to be very. Now I'm done with that one. Now we are going to